What's up, everybody? My name is Autumn, and this is FAB'n with Autumn. On this episode, we are once again back at my welding table to create something new out of horseshoes. It's a wine bottle holder. These will look great on your counter, dining room table, even your nightstand. So pretty much wherever you want to put one, it'll look great. It holds one wine bottle and 2 glasses. Let's begin. I'll be needing 7 horseshoes, a welder, a level, and a way to cut metal. Let's start from the base. Horseshoes have these grooves in them that are perfect for lining up the next 2 shoes. Almost like they knew a 10-year-old would be welding a wine bottle holder 2 million years after horseshoes were created. I'll tack all of this together, then set it aside. Then I'll start on the top half. The top half is a little more complicated. I'll have to cut some material out of 2 shoes. If I don't do this, the base of the wine glass would slip through. Removing the material between the lines allows me to close the gap. Let's head over to the vise where my dad will help cut them. Now that we removed the material, the gap is much smaller. I'll go ahead and weld these up again. Now that I have the glass holders finished, I'll tack these to the bottle holder. You're going to want to make sure you get these lined up pretty evenly. I like to use the holes as guides. Now that I have the 2 halves done, I'll tack them together with the help of my dad and the bubble level. Now that I finished tacking everything, you can see what it looks like. Now I'll finish weld everything. Everything is welded up and solid. Last thing to do is clean off any weld splatters. That gives it a nice professional look. Depending on the end user's wants, you can either get them painted or left raw. If left raw, it is still best to spray them with a clear coat to prevent rusting. Here it is, all done in action. Since I'm only 10, obviously I can't put wine in there, so I use mine for a Shirley Temple mix. I hope you like watching me make this wine bottle holder. And if you would like one, contact me on my Instagram at FAB'n WITH AUTUMN or by email at fabnwithautumn@gmail.com. If you like this video, make sure to give us a big thumbs up, click that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time on FAB'n WITH AUTUMN.